Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay. You can, share your screen. Okay, I'll ask you some scenario-based question. The same. Okay,
Same
so yeah,
SQL, na?
SQL, right?
Yeah.
Okay. In this statement, can you retrieve the top highest paid employee for each department?
So for that, I will use the top keyword.
Again, I'll
Top
reframe.
5.
Retrieve the top 5 highest paid employee for each department. This is what addition to this, the query.
I will use limit function. Limit 5. Is it?
How that will help? Limit will limit only the current table, right? My question is to retrieve top 5 paid employee for each department. Department wise partition. And from there, you have to retrieve top 5 highest paid employee for each department. So department, employee name and salary you can take. Then how can you, integrate this query further?
Partition will be required.
Oh, partition you have done.
Salary.
Okay, you have done absolutely fine. Okay, you have retried all the table and you have given the ranking also with the descending, right? Which will obviously, yes, first highest employed already you are getting, but it's not limit to the 5. I want to limit 5 employee by each and every department, for each and every department. So did you heard about the subquery?
Yeah.
Why do we use that?
Subquery. It's like the outer query will use the inner query. Inner query will run first, will give some table to the outer query, and then outer query will run. So here, should I write another query?
Okay, so it's depending on you. Otherwise, we'll move to the next question.
Once I will try. Select.
Okay, yeah, you try.
Employee name. We require the name of the employee, department wise, so department ID and salary.
You just have to integrate the subquery. You have to just consider the current query as a subquery, and then you can just, take the department, employee ID, and salary if you want. Okay, and then you can filter it, right, with the rank. So simple. Only ranking is the part you have to filter.
So I will use this as subquery.
Yes, that is what you.
And then again select.
Select department, employee ID, and salary, and then you just have to filter the rank is less than equal to 5. That's it. So the rank is the less than 5 equal to less than equal to 5 will be listed. That is how the approach.
Where?
Wait. How do you write the subquery? This is the main, right? Subquery you have written right, but the select employee department from what? From subquery, na?
Yeah.
Then why you are writing again?
I was thinking that where equal salary equal to. I have to do that.
Then okay, with that query, how you will be able to filter the only the rank? It's not possible, right? Okay, and there you here you can just you have to filter the rank. Rank is less than equal to 5. How you will filter? At the end you have to write, right? So this is the first first outer query, and for outer query you have to filter it out. Got it?
Okay, so here should I mention where?
Right, right. That is what. Do you have? Okay, that's fine. I got an approach. This is the right now. Okay, again you are writing average. Okay, so here
No,
it
no,
shouldn't be
no.
average. Rank
Maximum.
is less than equal to 5. So what this query will help you? This will retrieve only the rank which is equal to and less than 5. So automatically that the query will be executed. That's fine. So do you have the sales table here?
Sales table.
Yes.
Yeah, no, I have not.
Okay, that's fine. Then you can just tell me the approach. Okay, approach can be okay. That's fine with the approach. So can you tell me your approach, how to calculate total sales for each month of current year? Total sales for each month of current year, including month with zero sales. Shall I repeat the question again?
Yes.
Calculate the total sales for each month. So you have to calculate sales for
Total
each
sale
month,
each month.
but
Yes.
that too in current year. And you also have to include month with zero sales.
Select sum of total sales.
You can just tell me the approach. You just tell me the approach. What you will do, right?
So I will select total. I will use the sum function, aggregate function. So group, I need to for this group by. So group by month. Select the required columns from the table where
Do you require to use
where
subquery?
year
Okay.
equal to 2024, group by month, group by month. Yeah, that's it.
Okay. How it will execute the intervals for years and again month, that intervals, that is what I wanted to understand. Okay, so any function, what kind of function you will use for interval, because there are two intervals, right? Years and month.
Yes.
Are you able to tell me any approach, or shall we proceed to the next question?
In year we will inner subquery.
Correct, that is what I was
We
actually
will
expecting.
extract the year for current year only, and after that
See,
in outer query we will do group by.
okay, group by is fine. Okay, group by is almost here. You have to use group by. Okay, month. But first, what you have to do, you have to generate the series, right? That series you have to generate year wise and month wise interval. That should be your approach, right?
Yes.
And then you can retrieve this from the another table. You can use it city table, or you can use the subquery. It's depending on how we want to go, right? Do you know the city table?
City table.
Yes.
Yes.
What is
City
it?
table. Are you mentioning the column in superstores city column?
Common table expression. What is that?
Oh, city. Sorry.
Mhm.
Yeah. It is a virtual table. We use it uh, for easy.
So city table, inside city table, there can't be a physical table. You can retrieve it.
Yeah, we retrieve outside that query.
That is
We retrieve.
okay. Okay, city table also help to create a set of multiple table, and you can store into the template table, and you can the fetch the data. That is what. Okay, so one simple question will not jump into the difficult one. So can you tell me the approach here again to find customer who have made a purchase every month for last 6 months?
Will you repeat, please?
Can you find customer who have made purchase every month for last 6 months? So suppose there is a customer, if he is purchasing continuously from last 6 months, those customer I want to retrieve. If there is a customer who is not purchasing in last 6 months, I want those customer to be excluded from the query.
No, I don't know this. How to
Okay.
solve.
Do you know the what is cumulative calculation or running total? No.
No. Run.
Okay. Let's jump into our Power BI. So can you tell me why did you choose a Power BI as a tool, BI tool? Why not other?
Uh, I
What makes
think,
you think? Yes, go ahead.
yeah, there are others uh, tools also there,
Mm-hmm.
but Power BI is like
Mm-hmm.
easy to handle the queries inside, and ETL for ETL, and also the for graphs. I think it's easy. It was easy for me.
Have you worked with any other tool?
No,
Then
I
how did
have
you
seen
come?
tab. No, I have seen Tableau,
Uh-huh.
but I
So
think
Tableau is not that easy to retrieve data.
yeah, it's easy, but
Then how can you compare that then? What did you read? Or you didn't get gotten chance? Where did you heard about it? Okay, that's fine. Can you tell me how many type of connection modes do we have in Power BI?
connection mode, it's import data
Mm-hmm.
and direct query or live connection is there.
Okay, and what is the difference between import,
Import
direct?
data, import data. Once we import it in the query, and we transfer it and load it, we can in visual we can directly see the data over there. We have three parts: the a report view, table view, and the relation view. But in direct query, we have to fetch. We have through the query we are connected to that data. The actual data is not loaded over there in direct query or live connection.
Okay.
And in import data, we have actual data inside the Power BI server.
Okay. And what is the live connection?
It's like Azure or cloud-based connection directly.
You can connect with.
Yes.
Suppose you have connected your data source to your flat file. Okay, and because of some reason the path has changed. Okay, then what would be the error you will be getting there? What kind of the error you will get? You'll be able to interact with table. There is an Excel sheet. Did you understand my
Yeah,
question?
yeah, I understood. Excel sheet, as we already fetch it and import it, I don't think so.
It will, you mean to say it won't get any impacted?
Yeah, I'm not clear about
Okay,
this.
okay, you have not gone through that this scenario, right? Okay, that's fine. Suppose there is a error in data source, and you have used that field as an for a filter. Will you be able to apply the filter for that, the column where there is already error in that column?
That call, will you repeat, please?
Suppose there is category column.
Okay.
Okay, there is already error in that category table. Okay, and you are applying the filter. Will you be able to simply take that field as an the filter, or you will get any error. If there is some error, what would be that error?
I don't
No. Okay, access. Have you worked on access sometime?
row level access or PowerBI service access.
Yes.
PowerBI service access, yeah.
Uh-huh.
There are 4 types: admin, member, contributor, and view.
Okay. Okay, so what are the access do we have for a view level?
View cannot edit or do any changes. It only can view. Viewer do not have access on the database.
One last question on the access. Suppose you are the admin, okay, and the you left the organization, right? Then who can uh, manage the admin activity?
For that purpose, we kept more than one admin, like 2 admin will be there. So even if one is left, another will be there, and hence the another admin can do the another person as admin. So again, it will become
Okay, that's right. But in this case, there is no another admin. There
okay.
should be, but
Yeah,
hypothetically, there is no another admin. Then who can handle the access level?
access level can handle by access level. Yeah, member will handle, which will be team leader maybe.
Okay, that's it from my end, Deep sir. Are you there? Yeah.
Ulka, where do you see yourself in the next 5 years of time?
Next 5 years, I will see myself as growing with the whatever changes are there. Means I will would like to learn the Azure and all this thing, and I will see myself as a handling team at least for 3 to 4 people.
Thank you very much, Ulka, for your time and for your interview. We will start with the feedback session now. If you want to have a glass of water, you can have.
That Power BI session